Here's how to quickly make the music go quieter whenever there's people talking in DaVinci Resolve. So here's a little skit.
DaVinci Resolve 20 is rubbish because I don't know how to use it. Have you tried watching some YouTube tutorials?
So we've got two characters here talking. We've got Dave's talking on this track and Jason's talking on this track. Let's go and add some music. I'm going to use Epidemic Sound for this. If you want a free trial, check out the first link in the description. Let's go for that quirky one. We'll download it, and now we'll go and add it to the timeline. And here's the music file. The first thing you want to do is hit S to solo this track, open up the mixer, and then expand this across, and then set the volume level of the music that you want to play when there's no one talking. Turn off solo for this music track. Make sure you're clicking on the track header and open up the inspector. Click this to enable the ducker. You're going to need to choose a source for this ducker. Click the drop down and choose an audio track that contains talking, and whenever there's talking on this track, the music will go quieter. Let's start off with Dave, and if we play this back,
DaVinci Resolve 20 is rubbish because
What you want to do is you want to change this duck level, and the higher this is, the quieter the music will be when people are talking.
DaVinci Resolve 20 is rubbish because I don't know how to use it. Have you tried watching some...
You can hear the music got louder there, but when I started talking in this second clip, the music didn't go quieter. Make sure you've clicked on the music track header and come back to the ducker. Click the little plus button and then choose a second audio track. So we'll choose Jason. Now either of these two audio tracks will trigger the music ducking. You can click this button to open up the advanced controls for the ducker, and let's play this back.
DaVinci Resolve 20 is rubbish because I don't know how to use it. Have you tried watching some YouTube tutorials? All YouTube videos are rubbish.
The duck level control is that slider that we were just changing. If we want the music to go really quiet, we can max it out.
20 is rubbish because I don't know.
The look ahead time is how far DaVinci Resolve is going to anticipate the talking coming in, and you can tweak these other controls to get the exact sounding effect that you want.
All YouTube videos are rubbish. Wow, Dave,
You can hear in this section that the music didn't actually come back to full volume.
Videos are rubbish.
Wow. Let's reduce the recovery time and the hold time. Have another listen.
Videos are rubbish. Wow, Dave.
You can hear it's coming back a bit there. Let's change the rise time.
Videos are rubbish.
You can hear there's a pumping sound now. You can fix that by adding hold.
Rubbish. Wow.
And fine-tuning these other properties. Here's a quick tip for you. If you still can't quite get the settings right, you can zoom in and make sure there's no audio after the person finishes talking. If I solo this,
videos are rubbish.
You might want to just hold down Alt and trim the end of this audio clip to make sure the ducker doesn't get confused. And here's the final result.
DaVinci Resolve 20 is rubbish because I don't know how to use it. Have you tried watching some YouTube tutorials? All YouTube videos are rubbish. Wow, Dave, you really are a negative person, you know. So, prove me wrong then. There's loads of great channels like Mr. Alex Tech. Okay, I'll try some tutorials. You should also subscribe to my channel. It's called DaVinci Dojo.